Hey guys, Keith Spencer here. Welcome to day 22 of the 30-day challenge for Easy Leads and Cash. Thanks again for checking out this video. I am here outside of Walmart, and I want to talk to you guys a little bit more on attraction marketing. Once again, I think this is really the way to ultimately go. It's a way to set yourself apart from all the other people that are out there. All you have to do is go into a couple groups on Facebook and you see people spamming their links, people always trying to just get other people to do to buy, because I mean it's obvious, the reason people do that is because we want sales. We want leads for our business. We want sales to come through so that we can start collecting the money that we all desire. I mean, that's it, and it's understandable. But there's a right way to do it and a wrong way to do it. And I really do believe that the right way to do it is through the concept of attraction marketing. Now, the common response is, well, Keith, it might be easy for you to say because you seem to be doing all right with the system. No, the reality is you start doing these things before you start becoming all right with the system. And I'm not doing anywhere near what I want to be doing with Easy Leads and Cash just yet, or any business venture that I'm in. But I've already positioned myself as a leader by offering value. And that's the same thing that you guys can do as well. You just have to provide value and give people what they want. People are looking for leaders. They're looking for leadership. They're looking for people who are going to offer them content rather than just cram links down their throat to tell them to go do this or watch this. They're looking for some way for you to stick out and be that leader that they're looking for. And so attraction marketing is about doing that. It's about getting people to know, like, and trust you. Okay, I'll say that again. It's about getting people to know, like, and trust you. So how do you get people to know, like, and trust you? One, make sure that you are always visible. Now, visible in the right way, not visible in my links are visible, but you're out there, you're providing content, you're providing value, whether that's through your Facebook account, whether that's through videos that you produce. There's lots of different ways you can do this. I choose to go the video route, and I think it'd work. You guys, those of you that have been watching these faithfully, and it's now day 22, and you've already watched, you're watching this video, and you've watched all 22. Don't you feel like you've started to get to know me a little bit more just through my videos? Don't you feel like you're starting to trust me because I'm providing you some valuable content every single day? So it's definitely possible that you have gotten to know and trust me just because you've seen me every day. But what I want to get across to you is it's not just me that can do this. You can do the same thing as well. Why did I ask some of you to get in front of a video? Why did I ask all of you to get in front of a video camera and start recording yourself a day and give me a video response? Because it would push you out of your comfort zone. Some of you are starting to do that. You don't like it still, but you're starting to do it because you're getting more and more comfortable. That's how I got to where I'm doing these videos for you. I got more and more comfortable stepping in front of a video camera because I did it. The more that you do things like this, the more you will attract people to you, the more people will feel like they know you, even though they've never met you personally, and then the more that they feel like they will trust you because you're offering them valuable content that they know they can use, and if they apply it to their business, it'll help them be productive. This is attraction marketing. This is what you want to try to be doing while you're out there. So hope this tip helped you out. If it did, leave a comment below, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow for day 23 of the Easy Leads and Cash 30-day challenge. And if you have not joined me and you just happen to find this video on YouTube, definitely feel free to join me. I would love to have you be a part of my business, easyleadsandcashnow.com. The link is right below this video. All right, have a productive day, guys. I will talk to you soon. Take care.